this video, I will compare Kraken and Binance to help you decide which crypto exchange suits you the best. I have used both platforms extensively, so I will break down all of their features, fees, security, and overall usability. So let's dive into the fees and trading costs to start off. So Binance generally has lower trading fees, especially if you use BNB for discounts. And Kraken has slightly higher fees but offers a more transparent fee structure. And what about the security and regulation? Well, Kraken is known for its strong security measures and regulatory compliance, and it's a solid choice if your security is a top priority. And Binance has faced some regulatory challenges, but remains the largest exchange by trading volume. And here you can see there are 285 million users on Binance, and I think that is one of the biggest exchanges out there. So what about user experience then? Well, Binance offers a wide range of trading tools, futures, staking, and a huge selection of altcoins. And this is also something that is not very common in exchanges. And Binance can offer this because they are one of the biggest. So with Binance, you will have a lot of features included. And what about Kraken? Well, Kraken provides a clean and simple interface, making it beginner-friendly while still catering to advanced traders. So let's make a final verdict about Kraken and Binance. Well, the best for low fees and advanced trading, then I would say Binance is the best one. And for best security and regulation compliance, Kraken is the best one. So both platforms, Kraken and Binance, have their pros and cons. So your choice is depending on what matters most to you. And let me know in the comments which exchange you prefer. Is it Binance or is it Kraken? Well, I hoped I helped you out with this video by telling you more about Kraken and Binance. If so, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.